how do you show such a diversity of plants? We're doing it in sort of almost like climatic regions, but broader, more like inland, coastal and rainforest. So, yep, in the middle, this is the rainforest section. So,
What are some of the key species in there, would you say, Ben? I can see the tree ferns.
yeah, a couple of Cyathea cooperi in the middle.
Yeah,
4 of those.
yeah.
Bunya pines.
Bunya pines.
Yep.
Yep.
Araucaria. Davidsonia pruriens. Davidson's plum.
Yep.
Little bullvine bulbosa. Lily. Aphanopedilum. Climber just sort of hanging out of the log.
Yeah. Looks very verdant.
Yeah.
Cooling.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Scenic foliage just hiding at the back
Ah,
there.
yes.
Just to soften it.
Yep.
Some rock orchids.
Dendrobiums.
Yeah.
And a crow's nest.
Yep.
And lots of what? Blechnums and that sort of thing?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, blechnums. Just various ground ferns.
Okay.
Kangaroo ferns.
And then we have the Tasmanian pepper.
Yeah, the mountain peppers.
yeah.
Female one.
Yes.
So just nice and thin and tall.
Yes.
Serves a purpose here. Little myrtle beech, not the Phagus cunninghami. Mm-hmm. These are interesting. Astelia
Oh, yeah.
australiana.
Okay.
So
And a palm. Which palm is that?
that's a cycad.
Oh, that's a cycad.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, so it is. Yeah.
Daciasia citridora.
Yeah.
Some hymenosperms. So familiar faces.
Gee, these tree ferns are beautiful, Ben. They're pretty massive, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah, just want to get a bit of height, a little bit of canopy this year.
Yeah. Yeah, you do. You feel like you're stepping into a mini rainforest.
That's it.
So what other, do you want any other species you want to point out here, or we go to some of the other areas?
Elaeocarpus, blue
Yes,
ash,
yeah.
Lionellas, Scleranthus. At the bottom there. And the corner we've got finger lime.
Oh gosh, look at it. I wonder if you'll some of those will be missing by the end of the show.
I reckon. Yeah, so a little bit leafier around this side. So
Which are they? Those the lilies.
This
Which
one.
ones are they?
this.
Yeah.
Stenocarpus.
Oh, that's Stenocarpus.
That's the
Yeah,
Stenocarpus,
I meant this
they're
one.
Dorianthus.
They are
excelsa.
Dorianthus. Yeah.
excelsa.
Great.
Stenocarpus.
Well, that's a lovely display. What a nice complexity of things.
Yeah, textures.
Yeah, textures and all sorts. All right, so
It's nice to show like the lush green tones of native gardens. You know,
Yes.
more so than just gum trees and bottle brushes. And
that's true.
I think it's a nice
Yeah.
learning, educational display as well.
Yes. Yeah.